I am Shawn, your Realtor for the Shreveport, Bossier City area. As a homeowner, there are things you should do each month around your house for maintenance to make sure your house stays in top condition. So, here are the 8 things for this month.
Here are your home maintenance tasks for December. 1. Test your home's electrical system to prevent overloads from holiday lights. 2. Check holiday lights and replace damaged wires or bulbs. 3. Clean and inspect your chimney or flue before heavy use. 4. Inspect and tighten loose locks and hinges on doors. 5. Ensure your emergency generator is in working condition. 6. Test and organize your home's emergency supplies for any winter storms. 7. Inspect your plumbing for leaks and drips in bathrooms and kitchens. 8. Check outdoor walkways for ice hazards and prepare for salting.
And those are your maintenance tips for this month. My name is Shawn Ousley, your Realtor for the Shreveport, Bossier City area. If you're looking to buy, sell, or find some investment property, feel free to give me a call. My number right here. Have a great and wonderful day.